Exercise 78. Last and final sum. Exercise of 78. Sum number 17, part A. The given diagram or figure, it is 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter or 2 centimeter. First of all, this diagram part given two parts. First is this and second is this. But सबसे पहले हम इसे इस डायग्राम को कंप्लीट करेंगे. जो मैं डॉट लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं वो इसके डायग्राम की फर्स्ट फिगर है और ये सेकंड है. इट इज कंप्लीट डायग्राम. फर्स्ट rectangle and second rectangle. First of all, we find area of first diagram. We can say case first. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length is given 5 and breadth is given 2. 10 square centimeter. First diagram, we can say case first. Area equal to length into breadth. Length is given 5 centimeter and breadth is given 2 centimeter. Area 10 square centimeter. Second, case second, area length into breadth, but length is 5 centimeter and yes, 5 is complete diagram. So length is working length in second case, second diagram 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter or multiply breadth 1 centimeter is equal to 13 3 centimeter square centimeter. Once again, case second in diagram second. 5 not length in second diagram. Second diagram length is 3 centimeter. 3 length or breadth is 1. 3 square centimeter and total area first plus second. First plus second is equal to 10 plus 3 equal to 13 square centimeter. That is answer. Area length into breadth. Second case, area length into breadth. 5 into 2, 10 square centimeter, 3 centimeter of total area of the given figure. First case first plus case second, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 square centimeter. Write down now. Write down very fast. Yes. Part number B, sum number 17. Yes. Case in diagram. Case first, case second, or case third. We divide into three parts. First part, second part, third part, and the dotted line divide into two parts. One first is second and third part. First area of first part B. Case first. Area, length into breadth. 1 and 3. In this diagram, we check this length and breadth. Length is 3, or breadth is 1. It means 3 square centimeter. First area. The first area, length into breadth. Length is 3, but breadth is 1. 3 square centimeter. Case second, area is equal to length into breadth. Case second, same 3 length in 1 breadth. 3 length into 1 breadth is equal to 3 square centimeter. First diagram, area of first diagram, length into breadth. 3 into 1, 3 centimeters. Second, the same. Length into breadth, 3 into 1, 3 square centimeter. And third, case third, area, length, breadth. For breadth, only we find breadth. It is total 6, and it is given 3. 6 minus 3. This is the length of 3 centimeters. Third part. Third part, length is 6 and breadth is 3. Is equal to 18 square centimeter. First area, 3 square centimeter. Second area, 3 square centimeter. And third area, 6 into 3, 18 square centimeter. Total area, first plus second plus third, 336 plus 18, 24 square centimeter. Okay, total area, first plus second plus third is equal to 24 square centimeter. Write down now. Okay, next sum, part C. Okay, Part C, first of all, make a diagram and divide all parts. Yes, check your book and make diagrams. Yes, given 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 6 centimeter or 3 centimeter. Yes, it is given measurement, length, breadth. First of all, we divide part it. First, जो मैं डॉट मैसेज कर रहा हूँ, it is a first. Okay. First is this. Second and third with construction by construction. Okay, case first, second, and third. First of all, case first. Length is 6, breadth is 3. Area first. Case first area. L to B. L is given 6 centimeter, 3 breadth 18 square centimeter. First answer. Case first. Case second. Area, length into breadth is equal to length 6 centimeter and breadth is given 3 centimeter. 18 square centimeter. Case second, we find the area. Area is 18 square centimeter. Part number third, we can say that the third part, case third. Third area, length into breadth. Length is 4 centimeter breadth, 1 over 1, 2 and 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 centimeter length. 8 and 4, 32 square centimeter. Total area. Total area. Total area is total area above the corner. Total area. Case first 18. It is first answer. Second is 18 or 30. 32. Total area 18 plus 18 plus 32. 18 plus 18 plus 32. 18 plus 18, 36 plus 32 is equal to 68 square centimeters. It is answer. Write down. Okay. Last part, D. D part. Okay, write down now. First of all, complete the figure. It is part first, second, third. First, second, and third. Length, breadth, calculate करना. Length and breadth. Case first, length is 1, breadth is 1. One answer. Second is 3. It is 3 centimeter. But why? Total length is 6 centimeter and this centimeter 3 centimeter. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter or 2 centimeter. Or last and final 6 or 2. Okay. Now we solve this problem. Yes, case first, area, length into breadth. Length is 1 into 1 square centimeter. Okay, first answer. Case second, 3 area, 3 into 2, 6 square centimeter. And case third, area is equal to length into breadth, that's 6 or 12 square centimeter. Total first, second, and third. Total area first plus 6 plus 12. 7 plus 12 equal to 19 square centimeter. And topic is complete, exercise is complete. Next topic is volume. Okay. Volume unit is 24 or exercise 79. Two formulas, volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Okay, cuboid the shape of your lunch box and cube is the shape of the box of chalk, blackboard chalk. Okay, so then volume of cube volume and cube side into side into side, side into side into side, and unit cu cubic unit. Centimeter to cubic centimeter, meter is cubic meter. Once again repeat, volume of cube side into side into side, and unit cubic, cu means cubic unit. Okay, and volume of cuboid formula is first and formula is second. Volume and of cuboid, volume of cuboid is equal to LV into H. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. Length, breadth into height. And the unit, cubic unit. Unit are both same condition for this cube and this cuboid. Okay. Volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Cubic unit of volume of cuboid is equal to length, breadth into height. Diagram, volume of cube like that, the box of chalk, blackboard chalk. And cuboid, volume of cuboid shape like that, cuboid shape is your lunch box, your sitting arrangement in your classroom, bench. Okay, right now the exercise 79. Write down the formula, and next day I asked these formulas. Okay, it is, you remember this formula. Sum number 1, part A. Given length is given 16 centimeter and breadth is given 12 centimeter and height is given 8 centimeter, and find volume of cuboid. It is remember point where the given length, breadth and height, automatically find the volume of cuboid, because that's why length and breadth into height given in cuboid shape. Okay, जहां पर भी क्यूबोर्ड होगा, क्यूबोर्ड में ही लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट होती है. जो क्यूब की शेप होती है सिर्फ वहां पर सिंगल साइड गिवन होती है. राइट, जो क्यूबोर्ड की शेप होगी उसमें तीनों होंगे, लेंथ, ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. सो 16 मल्टीप्लाई 12 मल्टीप्लाई 8, 16 12 8, 12 की टेबल 8 टाइम्स 96 और 16 की टेबल 96 पे 6 144 9 153. cubic unit means centimeter, then cubic centimeters. It is answer 1536. Length is given, breadth is given, height is given. Volume of cuboid is equal to length, breadth into height. LBH. It is formula length into breadth into height. That is 12 multiply 8 96, 16 on 96 1536 cubic centimeter. It's answer. Okay. Part number B. फॉर्मूले क्यूब एंड क्यूबोर्ड के आप सभी को रिमेंबर हो. जब भी नेक्स्ट टर्न होगी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपसे फॉर्मूले डिस्कस करूंगा। पार्ट बी, फर्स्ट का बी पार्ट, लेंथ इज गिवन 14 मीटर, breadth is 8 meter and height is 2.5 meter. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Length is 14, breadth 8 into height 2.5. 14 into 8, 25, 200. और डेसिमल आफ्टर 1D, cubic meter. 1D to 28, 0 cubic meter. With transfer. Okay? यस बेटा, नेक्स्ट सम आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, पार्ट नंबर सी, पार्ट डी एंड पार्ट ई। और सम नंबर सेकंड, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज गिवन एज एंड साइड और साइड। ओके